Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back from Vegas, and in today's video, it's a luxury haul. I have items from my Vegas trip as well as a few items from Black Friday. So join me and let's get started. Now my first item is from Hermes, and you guys helped me on Instagram pick between the bronze and the beige color. So let's see what I ended up picking up. So you guys nailed it. We have the Click H bracelet in the beige with the rose gold hardware. You guys just really know my style, and I really appreciate everyone who voted on my stories. I love it. Next, we have a pair of shoes. They're New Balance sneakers. I'm actually twinning with my girl Marie from Snow 777. We have these beautiful neutral sneakers in the sea salt and brown combination. The letters that are in this more like cognac type of brown leather and the beige, and then the suede. It's almost like a light beige and off-white type of combination. These sneakers were very hard to find, and I got a restock notification and I scooped them up because no way was I going to pay over retail for these sneakers. But I love them. And New Balance, they're so cute. I love the latest designs. So they're just perfect. My next item is an accessory, and it's from Balenciaga. To reveal, a scarf. This is a gorgeous camel with that off-white combination. Now, I've been looking at potentially adding the cardigan, but I just wasn't sure how much I was going to use the cardigan. I don't know. But when I saw this in the scarf, I live in Chicago. The weather is just up and down, especially right now. I think it's like 50 degrees as I speak. But yes, I am constantly in a lot of layers all throughout the whole year. So this is something that if I'm wearing a sweater or a jacket, such a cute, stylish type of accessory, and gives me that vibe of when I want to have more of a logo mania type of moment in that perfect white and the camel combination. For me, I think this is just the perfect blend of Balenciaga that I could get. So I'm really excited to have this. I love how the scarf looks with my All Saints jacket. Just gives a little bit more chic, cool vibes. I think it's just the perfect pop with my handbags in the beige and tan colors. Next up is a Wishlist item from the brand Jenni Kane. We have the cropped cardigan in this beautiful camel color. I am in love with this. Now, I could not resist when I saw this cardigan for 25% off during Black Friday. And for Jenni Kane lovers, that's a great sale because her stuff is hardly ever on sale. But yeah, they had this one and I was obsessed. The color, the size, it's perfect. It's 70% wool and 30% cashmere, and it just looks so luxe. I love her sweaters. They last a long time. So this is another classic wardrobe item for me. I love it. My last item is from YSL. And you guys know I've been on a big binge with YSL lately, especially with that YSL shopping vlog. And I love this bag.
Thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
It's the YSL Mini Lou in this beautiful caramel tan color. This is a seasonal color, and it does have the gold hardware, gold logo, zipper, and chain. Now the chain is not detachable. It's a amazing day to night bag. That's what I love about the cute size. And then when you combine it with that pebbled leather that YSL is known for, it's just so durable. Here's an up close view of this beautiful pebbled leather. You can see how it compares to the smooth lambskin of my YSL puffer bag. I'm in love with this one. Very excited. You guys, I could not resist adding this color to my collection. And to me, this is just the perfect day to night bag because you have the gold strap and the hardware, and it's a cute size. You can still fit your essentials. I have it in the wallet, so of course I could not resist getting this in at least one of their amazing bag styles. Here we go, guys. We have the bag and the wallet.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one.
Okay, guys, so what was your favorite item from today's reveal? Let me know below. And I'm Jamie. I would love it if you'd like to subscribe. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care.